Hi, today I'm reviewing the I'm From Water Vitamin Tree Water Gel. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsb.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, I've been meaning to review this one for so long, and I have no idea how it's escaped my review up until now. But a couple weeks ago, I reviewed the Dr. Circle Sicca Regan 95 Gel. And it reminded me so much of this one, so I thought I got to review this one. So, finally getting to it. Even though I've been trying it out for a while now. So, okay, so they say Premium Brightening Water Gel contains 68% vitamin tree leaf water from Korea's Taebaek Mountains, along with extracts from berries, rose of Jericho, and snow lotus to hydrate skin and balance its water and oil levels. There we go. So, this is one of their earlier products, and now they've released a whole heck of a lot of stuff. Their Beet line, I kind of don't know if anybody bought it or not, but they had a Beet line. They still probably have it. What else do they have there? A lot of other stuff. So they've got a whole collection now, but this is one of their older products. So, okay, first criteria, packaging. In terms of packaging, not too crazy fan of the jar, but whatever. It's a jar. It's recyclable at least, so we've got that going for us. And I mean, there's a few antioxidants in here, but nothing too crazy. So, antioxidants kind of degrade from the second they're exposed to light and air. So that's why I'm not a huge jar packaging fan. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, does not contain any of those. It does contain witch hazel. It's typically fermented with alcohol, so there could be a very small component of alcohol in here, but I'm not going to discount them for that. In terms of fragrance, it does contain Boswellia serrata resin extract, which is an antioxidant. It's also a skin-soothing ingredient. However, it also is a potential source of frankincense oil, which is a essential oil that some people can be sensitive to. So there can be a small component of in there. It really doesn't have much of a scent to it at all. But if you have extremely sensitive skin, just be aware of that. So otherwise, no other huge issue. The manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. Whoa, got my little tiny spatula. So ease of use. This stuff has a really wonderful gel texture to it, which I love. I love gel texture things, especially for evening time. So there we go. Really wonderful. Smooths over skin pretty easily. Does set to kind of a shiny finish, but once it absorbs, it looks pretty natural. Typically I'll apply this in my morning routine. Occasionally I'll apply it in my evening routine, but I'll typically layer it over something else. They also recommend, for a stronger hydrating effect, to apply a thick layer overnight as a sleeping pack. But really nice gel texture, smooths over things. During the fall and winter, I'll go to something a little bit thicker, more hydrating. But during the summer, spring, things like that, it's the wonderful amount of hydration without feeling greasy or too hydrating, and it absorbs pretty quickly as well. Okay, so next up, we've got antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got sea buckthorn extract, skin conditioning ingredient, brightening ingredient, skin protecting ingredient, probably the vitamin they're referring to in the name of the product. We've got niacinamide before it became the it ingredient and everything. Niacinamide's anti-acne, skin brightening, barrier repairing. Then we've got sea buckthorn berry extract, which is a humectant. We've got also skin brightening and skin conditioning ingredient. We've got biosaccharide gum, which is a soothing and humectant ingredient. We've got sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. We've got Panthenol, which is skin soothing, wound healing, and hydrating. We've got licorice root, which is skin brightening and antioxidant. We've got purslane, which is a wonderful plant extract that has antioxidant and soothing benefits. Chamomilla's in here, which is soothing and antioxidant ingredient. We've got Saussurea involucrata extract, which apparently is an anti-inflammatory plant extract. We've got cloudberry fruit extract, which is soothing ingredient, source of beta-carotene, vitamin E, and anthocyanins. Which is good for skin. Also contains numerous antioxidants and trace minerals, as well as fatty acids. We've got that rose of Jericho, which is an emollient ingredient. We've got arginine, skin identical ingredient. We've got bamboo water, hydrating, soothing ingredient. Lotus flower, just a nice hydrating ingredient. We've got aloe, skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. Then finally we've got 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, which is an antioxidant and skin brightening ingredients. So a lot of nice brightening ingredients as well as soothing ingredients in here. Really nice list of good things. And they use sodium hyaluronate and niacinamide in here before. They're both super popular. So I'll give them a pass for that. Okay, in terms of animal testing, I'm from is cruelty-free, so no issues with that. So in terms of performance, it really does a nice job hydrating the skin without making it feel super like greasy or too hydrated. The nice thing is also fungal acne safe, so if you're prone to fungal acne issues, this one is safe to use. In my opinion, this one's probably geared towards normal or oilier skin types. But in humid weather, it also works pretty good for normal and dry skin. And the other nice thing is if you have acne-prone skin, there's only one ingredient of note, and that is carbomer. So very friendly for acne-prone skin. In terms of the price, so this is the full size, which is 2.7 ounces, 75 milliliters, which is larger than most other moisturizers. And it retails for about $26, so not super expensive. And a little bit tends to go a pretty long way with this one, so it's pretty affordable. Okay, and then in terms of the it factor, it's a very nice product. It's great for acne-prone, oily skin types, fungal acne-prone skin. Works well for my sensitive skin. However, it can be a little bit iffy for very sensitive skin due to the witch hazel and the boswellia frankincense oil component to it. So overall, it's got a lot of good things going for it. It's certainly not geared towards my skin type, being very dry. But I could see how dry and more humid weather, more humid climates, this will work great. Anyway, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. Worth checking out in my opinion. And their vitamin fruit serum is also quite nice. So, sea buckthorn's a great ingredient overall. So, anyway, so interested in hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check it out yet or not. And if you have what your thoughts are. So, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.